students. So yesterday I have explained you chapter number 13, beginning of British rule in India. Now see some matter from your book of the same chapter. Coming of the British to India means how they came to India and which words were found by them to gain control over India, and how they strengthened their control over India, and what is about the revolt, how it started, who fought this war, who started this revolt, everything. So let's get started. See this flowchart. Coming of the Europeans in India. The Portuguese were the first. Who came first? The Portuguese. I have told you about Vasco da Gama. He came first to India in 1498. After that, later French and the Dutch came and set up their trading centers. All these people came to India and started setting their trading centers, because why they are coming to India? To trade with the India. So next one is the English East India Company, EEIC, was founded in 1600. The British came to India and established an empire. After that, what happened? The Battle of Plassey was fought between the Nawab of Bengal, Siraj-ud-Daulah, and EEIC in 1757. And then the Battle of Buxar was fought between Mir Qasim and Nawab of Bengal. Means was fought between Mir Qasim, Nawab of Bengal. They both are together and they are fighting with EEIC, East India Company, in 1764. The growing of discontent among the Indians against the British led to the revolt. अब क्या हुआ था? Indians are able to understand me that they are taking our advantage. Britishers are taking the advantage of Indians. तो अब क्या हुआ? फिर revolt start हो गया 1857 में. Many people are there who started this revolt, that I have told you if you have seen the video, and I'll tell you again further in the next page. The rule of EEIC ended after the revolt and Queen Victoria took over the administration of the Indian Empire. अब ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी का रूल तो ख़त्म हो गया था, लेकिन क्वीन विक्टोरिया ने अपना पूरा इंडियन एम्पायर पे अपना पूरा कंट्रोल कर लिया था. ओके, नाउ सी द नेक्स्ट पेज. Coming of the British, how Britishers came to India. The Portuguese led the way to find new sea route to Asia and establish trading relation with India. They set up factory in Cochin, New Kochi, and Goa. Means now Kochi, that is earlier known as Cochin, and in Goa. Means these are the sea routes. जब वो एंटर करते थे सी रूट से, तो ये पहले प्लेसेस पड़ती थी, वहीं उन्हें अपना ट्रेडिंग सेंटर्स सेट कर लिया था. They made huge profits by buying goods at low price from India and selling them in the European markets that I have told you. The success of the Portuguese led the traders from Holland, France and Britain to sail in India. और फिर उसके बाद बहुत सारी कंट्रीज़ और भी आने लगी. जब पोर्टुगीज़ को बहुत प्रॉफिट होने लगा, तो दूसरी कंट्रीज़ भी आके इंडिया में प्रॉफिट दे ऑल्सो स्टार्ट ट्रेडिंग फ्रॉम इंडिया. और उसी में ही जब ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी द इंग्लिश मर्चेंट्स फ्रॉम द English East India Company EEIC in 1600 under the authority of Queen Elizabeth I. It was a set up to conduct trade in India. अब उन्हें चार्टर मिल गया था 1600 में. मीन्स उन्हें परमिशन मिल गई थी जाके इंडिया में अपना ट्रेड सेंटर सेट करने की. He came to India and start trading. Now he need a permission to set their trading center in India. जब 1600 में वहाँ से तो परमिशन मिल गई थी. अब इंडिया में आके इंडिया के लोगों से, इंडिया में जो भी रूल कर रहा है उससे परमिशन लेनी थी. ओके, सो दिस मच फॉर टुडे. टुमारो आई विल टेल यू मोर. थैंक यू.